Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, a small box parcel received from MP from Madhya Pradesh. Uh, let's unbox this one and check what is inside. Okay, very nice packing. Okay guys, so, so this is the power supply, SMPS power supply for POLYCOM HDX8000 model. So this has came from Madhya Pradesh. He is also one of my YouTube customer. He said power supply is not working. Okay, so this is the power supply belongs to POLYCOM HDX8000 model. So let's check what is the problem inside. It's good instead of sending full unit, it's better to send only the power supply, because he said only the problem is in the power supply only. So he sent only the, because it's heavy to send complete unit. So I recommend him not to send complete unit, only send the power supply board. Okay guys, so let's check this one. What is the issue in this? This is the input power supply, and here we must get output. Some output, see it is written output. DC output plus 3.3 plus 5 volt plus 12 volt plus 12 volt SB. So this output we must get over here. So we'll check step. So guys, we'll apply voltage and check what is this problem in this. So I'm applying the voltage. We'll check the voltage also over here. Okay, I'll put it on. So I put it on. So there is a AC input power. So here is the input AC power is coming. See, to 30 volt AC. So here the DC is, this is the filter capacitor, main filter capacitor. See, okay, so it means that power is coming, but still there is a fluctuation. This one output is not coming. So if I check some output, it is not coming over here. Say no output. So there is no output. So guys, the problem we need to check is no output is coming. So but the power is there. See, so as you know, this is SMPS power supply. This is our IC 393. This is dual voltage this one dual voltage comparator IC, and this is UCC 2894. This is PWM IC. So what I want to say is, here this is the dual voltage comparator IC. I must get some voltages over here. See, I must get voltage. This is, I should get some, at least here some 14 volt DC. I must get here some 14 volt DC, 14 volt DC here supply line, but there is no supply coming here. Okay, see, there is no supply. So it means that there is a problem in this dual voltage comparator IC. So what I will do, I will put it off. So then we'll check. I'll put it off. I put it off. So I put it off. So now we'll check why there is no voltage. So guys, we'll put it off. We'll take it out. power. So let's check some cold test. Is the diode is good. How about the condition of the rectifier? Okay, and here there's a transistors. Okay, the diode is there. So this diode also good. Okay, so overall my friend, this is the main dual comparator IC. So we'll check some voltages, some ohms over here. Is any shorting or something like that? Here in this IC, pin number 4 is ground, this is a negative supply, and pin number 8 is positive supply. So because here we are not getting any supply over here. So this is the IC. IC is the positive pin of the IC, pin number 8. The positive pin of the IC, pin number 8, it is shorted. So that's why voltage is getting dropped. That's why our SMP is not getting on. So guys, we need to replace this IC. This is dual voltage comparator IC with the new one. So I think the IC is the faulty. So what we'll do, we'll take it out the IC. So guys, we have removed this IC. So now just we'll clean this one. We have removed the IC. So now we'll fix new IC, but before that, fixing new IC, we'll check is there any shorting here before pin number 4 and here pin number 8. It was showing some shorting. See now. So there is no shorting. In diode range, so it is showing some ohms. Okay guys. So this is clear that IC is shorted. So we'll replace this IC with the new one. IC number is 393. This is the old dual voltage comparator IC 393. So this is the new IC. Okay guys, the new IC, and this is the old IC. So we'll fix new IC now. So guys, we already solddered the IC. Perfect. Okay, as you can see. Okay guys, so we have replaced this one. This is dual voltage comparator IC. So 14 volt was dropping voltage, so that's why our also the switching on is not happening, SMP is not getting on. So we have already replaced. Now we fix the new one now. So now we'll check what is the status. So we'll apply the voltage and check. But before that, let me clear. So here this was showing before, it was, see now it is okay. Before it was showing shorting this pin, so now it is okay. So we must get here 14 volt now, then only our power supply will get on. So now we'll apply voltage and check. Okay, So guys, we'll check voltage over here, some terminal, we'll check some voltages, we'll put it on and check how much you see. We can come to know voltage over here. If our power supply is good, we must get our voltage over here. So I will put it on. See guys, so we got voltage 12 volt DC. So because of this, so switching is not happening, so we got 12 volt DC voltage. Perfect. Okay guys, so 12 volt DC is coming, so we'll check the voltages here on IC also. So this is our main filter capacitor out voltage, and here this is negative and it is positive. See, now it is coming 14 volt. Before it was 0 volt coming before. See, now 14 volt. Okay, so perfect now. So like this we solved the problem. We replace this faulty AC with the new one. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon in next video. Bye.